We actually have a lot to do today. We're going to clean the inside of the car. It is really filthy. We have glitter on my seats from a school project that got messed up. We got trash. It needs to be vacuumed, take out a lot of stuff. But I got a little surprise for today's installation. We got this massive box in the trunk that I will reveal later. Stay tuned, guys. We're about to clean up the whole car. We're actually about to wash the car as well because it's been raining. This car's been neglected. We're gonna restore this bad boy before the installation. So stay tuned, guys. There is no more glitter on the seat. Everything is vacuumed. I just gotta detail the interior by wiping the inside down with Armor All, and then we'll get to washing the car. Yee! We're actually replacing the O2 sensor because the last time when we did the headers, we kind of fudged up the what is it called?
Bruh. I don't fucking know.
I don't even know. We kind of messed it up. So I just bought one on Amazon right here. So we're just gonna replace it, see if everything works or not. But I don't know. You could try the big one. I don't know. So we just finally changed out the O2 sensor. Now we're going to be installing the new headlights for the car. These are the Vland / OLM headlights. Got them from OfferUp from a guy for $300. Usually it'd be about like 400 or 500 bucks. Pretty much the same as my cousin's car over here. I'll drop his Instagram in the description. It's pretty much the same thing as this. The most aids part about taking off the bumper is the side markers here. It's a little dirty. Oh. Go up here. And just fucking... Oh. There you go. There we go, man. I think that's it,
What?
right?
Oh wait, there's that thing right here.
I'm bleeding.
Fire bumper been broken.
Oh,
yeah. Damn! Right over here.
The mounts are you.
Sheesh. Just got the front bumper off. Now we just gotta remove the stock headlights.
You get it?
Bruh.
Did you even record a before and after video?
Yeah. I think so.
Bruh.
Yeah.
I mean, they would know though.
Ah, it's looking better already.
Dude, it looks so freaking good. Oh, you put it right here, right?
Yeah.
Shouldn't go anywhere. Is good? You'll be chilling.
If it does, I have to taping my car.
Sheesh. Alright, I think all we have to do left is the wiring. So all I gotta do is just splice these wires so I could hook them up to the harness. So I gotta do the black one. The black one out. The yellow. And then tap it into the OEM harness right here. White to green. Now we gotta do the black to black. Just got the black to black tapped in. All the wires are tapped in.
I don't know what this housing does. I don't know where this red wire goes.
Yeah, I don't either.
He didn't show us in the video.
Do we not need
Why
it?
do you still have this one on?
We're actually having a little bit of trouble with the turn signal. Oh, try it again. As you can see, it's like stuck on. It's not even going all the way through. Yo, what's going on, guys? So we actually ran into a couple problems while installing the headlights. One of my high beams doesn't work and it hyper blinks, so we have to go on another day to finish this up, but we got the bumper on and it is looking a lot different, a lot better as well. Another thing is the side markers, I broke them, so it's gonna be not attached there as well, but everything else looks good. So I'll do another day once everything is hooked up, properly working. Should be good. So I think this might solve the hyperblinking issue, and that one bulb that does not work. I have to get the relay for my car, so I have to order this and I have to wait till it comes in. And it also comes with a knob for the turn signals to adjust the speed if I want it slow or fast, so that's pretty cool. So it's just a waiting game. I will place an order on this, wait till it comes in. As you can see, guys, I fixed the headlight bolt that wasn't working. I actually had to plug in a wire to fix this issue, and then for the hyperblink I plugged in the relay and then everything works now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys for watching, and more content for this car will be uploaded in the future. It's looking amazing. It's looking very good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video again. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.